Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. Looking forward, sabi ho ni Ben Joke, no? Department of Budget Management, next year, it'll be a better year. Not because nakaupo si President Duterte, although hindi lahat pwede ma-attribute kay Duterte. Sabi ho ni Ben Joke na yan because inaasahan ho ng bansa ho natin na yun ho sa China at sa Russia, that'll be helping the Philippine economy eventually. So, and then, naayos pa ni Digong yung, eto yung nanalo si Trump. Bad news kay Lloyd Lewis Kasi hindi si Clinton ang nanalo. So ngayon, si Duterte at si Trump, the relationship na medyo na-restore. Kasi kung si Obama and then nanalo si Hillary, patay kang bata ka. So kaya bad trip po talaga si Lloyd Lewis You know why? Talo ka ba naman kay Clinton? Talo ka kay Mar Rojas? Yung kanya mga bilyones na sinuporta rin doon sa US, sa Congress at sa Senate. Talo rin yung US majority, talo yung US Senate majority kasi hindi lumabas yung liberal, kaya yung kalang Democrats, kaya ito ngayon, pinipilit nila si Lenny itulak pa itaas. Ang ginawa naman ni Duterte, gano'n irreconcilable difference or differences. It's a protocol! That's what I'm saying. You can't even discern what opportunity is all about. Since you don't really know what opportunity is all about, and opportunity is defined as luck to a person who is uninitiated, luck is also defined as preparedness to an opportunity. And because you're not prepared, bubut ka pa. Sing bubut ka ni Lloyd. Kaya yan, kabubutan ninyo, yan ang sinapit nyo.